thing of a function of testosterone is influence the production of spermatogenesis. We already say that that is a first function of testosterone. Okay, first thing, influence the production of spermatogenesis. And next one, it just stimulate the synthesis and control the muscle growth. Okay, when you are attained the maturity, when the boys are attained the maturity, usually they are grown of a biceps and triceps muscle. Okay, because of the testosterone controls the muscles growth. Okay, and next one, they are having a responsible for the development of a secondary sexual character. Here a secondary sexual character, which mean secondary sexual character. Here a secondary sexual character. What are the secondary sexual character? If you see now, they are increasing a chest region and changing in a voice. Okay, and growing of a beard and deep of a voice pitch. So these are all the secondary sexual character of a male. So that's it for a testis. It's just simple thing. A testis is a male gonad, that's the male gland. Here they are having a seminiferous tubule inside of the testis. They are only taken place of a sperm development. Here just a cross section of a seminiferous tubule. They are having a two type of cell, that is a Leydig cell and serotonin cell. Here Leydig cells are responsible for the secretion of a male hormone, that is the testosterone. Leydig cell just providing a nutrition to the developing a sperm, and here these are all the functions of a testosterone. Okay, so that's it for a testis. So we move on next one, ovary. Here ovary is responsible for a male, that is a female reproductive glands. Here just they are located in the pelvic cavity. They are located in the pelvic cavity, that is of the abdominal region. It just secrete the sex hormones. Okay, here they are having a two type of sex hormones. A first one is the estrogen. This is the first one, estrogen, and next one is the progesterone. So these are all the two sex organs, or that is the hormones are secreted in the female. The first one is the estrogen. Okay, estrogen are produced as the Graafian follicle. Okay, first you have to listen here. Just imagine this is the ovary. Here where it is present na. If you see that we already studied that female reproductive system, right? Just like this. Okay, here they are having a ovary, right? This is the ovary part. Here estrogen are produced the Graafian follicles of ovary. The first starting stages of an ovary, just like this. This is a Graafian follicle, and inside they are having a dotted part, that is the ova. Here estrogen are responsible for a production of a Graafian follicle. Graafian follicles. Okay, and next one here a progesterone. Just take like this. Okay, ma. Here once they are ova get matured, they are get ruptured and released, just like this. They are ruptured and release the ova, and then enter into the fallopian tube. After the rupture, they are having a empty muscular portion. At the time the secretion of a progesterone. This is the progesterone. Okay, they are usually given a name of corpus luteum. Corpus luteum, just they are releasing the fertilized, that is a matured fertilized egg. sorry for that, that is a matured egg are released from their ovary. After the releasing of an ova, they are having a muscular portion, no, that is a responsible for the secretion of a progesterone. It is a formed of a ovary ruptured Graafian follicle during the ovulation. Okay, ovulation period அப்போ எதனால ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு அந்த கார்பஸ் லூட்டியம்னா ரூப்சர்டான ஃபாலிகல்ஸ்னால ஃபார்ம் ஆனது தான் அந்த கார்பஸ் லூட்டியம். ஓகே, ஹியர் they are having some of the functions also. A first function of an estrogen. Here just bring out the changes in the during a pregnancy. Not only that, a pregnancy also, here a puberty stages there bring some changes in the ovary. Changes in puberty stage. And next one, it initiate the process of oogenesis. What is the process of oogenesis? Here a first starting stage of a development of an egg, that is the oogenesis. Okay ma. And next one we are having the stimulate the maturation of follicles of ovary. Here stimulates the maturation of follicles of this. The follicles we say no, it just stimulate what? Estrogen just stimulate the formation of a matured Graafian follicles. And next one, last one, the same here promote the development of a secondary sexual character. Here what is the meaning of a secondary sexual character? Sorry for that. It's just increasing a chest region and development of a pitches of a voice. Okay, and changes in their body structure. So these are the secondary sexual character of a female. And next one, they are having a progesterone. First one responsible for the premenstrual changes in the uterus. Premenstrual changes in the uterus. What are the premenstrual changes in the uterus? Before the menstrual phase, they want to prepare that uterus part, just they want to prepare the uterine wall for the menstrual stages. Okay, if they are not getting a fertilization in that egg, the matured egg, just they are prepared for the uterine wall for the menstrual phases. So that is the premenstrual changes in the uterus. And next one, prepare the uterus for implantation. If they are getting a fertilization ஆனாக்கா the progesterone என்ன பண்ணும், just they prepare the implantation. What is the implantation? When their fertilized egg attached to the ovarian follicle to grow on as a baby, that is the implantation of the embryo. And next one, maintain the pregnancy. And last one, it is essential for the formation of a placenta. Here a placenta, which mean, just see here this only a development of a baby in the uterus, right? For an example, just imagine this is the baby. Okay, here usually they are attached to the uterine wall. They are having a one muscular disc-like structure. This is a placenta. Here this only responsible for a given nourishment, that is the food to the glycogen are present in the liver cell. They are just converted as a glucose and transferred to the bloodstream via transport பண்ணி எல்லா parts of a cells just transporting a glucose, that is the energy molecule, to the entire parts of a body with the help of an epinephrine. Okay, and next we are having the increase the heartbeat rate and blood pressure. What is the next function? Increase the heartbeat rate. Here two things. First one is the heartbeat and blood pressure. Okay, first one, they're given a heartbeat. okay. When you are in a stressed condition or emotional condition, usually எப்படி இருக்கும், ஹார்ட் பீட் ரேட் இன்க்ரீஸாக இருக்கும், ஓகேவா. அப்போது ஹார்ட் பீட் ரேட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆனால் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ஹார்ட் பீட் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக பீட் பண்ணால் தேர் நீட் அ ஃபாஸ்ட் சர்க்குலேஷன், தட் இஸ் ஏ பிளட் ப்ரெஷர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும் அண்ட் ரெஸ்பிரேட்டரி ரேட் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ திஸ் ஆர் தி கண்டிஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் அன் எபினெப்ரின். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் எபினெப்ரின் ஹார்மோன்ஸ் they are just increasing heartbeat and blood pressure. And next one, increasing a rate of respiration. We already said now here also, increasing the rate of respiration, okay pa. And next one we are having it cause the dilation of the pupil in eye. Automatically stress and emotional condition என்ன ஆகும், just there comes a tears வரும் இல்லையா, that is the causes of dilation. Dilation of pupils in the eyes. Pupil, what is a pupil? The space between the iris we called as a pupil, okay. அந்த iris இருக்குல்ல அந்த space தானே called as a pupil னு சொல்லுவோம், okay ma. And next one, and last one, decrease the blood flow through the skin. Decreases the blood flow through the skin, okay ba. So these are all the functions of an epinephrine. The first thing we are having, it promote the conversion of glycogen into glucose. Glycogen and glucose are convert பண்ணும். Where it is present that in the liver cell, okay va. Liver cells glycogen இருக்கு, அதை என்னவா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுது, just they are convert as a glucose. And next one, epinephrine. We already said that adrenaline is responsible for the emergency situation. Emergency situation இருக்கும்போது heart beat rate increase ஆகும், blood pressure increase ஆகும். Not only that, increase of respiratory rates also. And next one, causes of dilation. ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக எமோஷனாக இருந்தால் dilation வரும், that is the eyes, okay. Not only our eyes, in the trachea இருக்க mucus வரும் இல்லையா, சளி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is the mucus, that is the dilation of mucus in the trachea and cartilage also, okay. So that's it for an epinephrine. Next one we are having the non-epinephrine, that is the same to the epinephrine, okay. So that's it for an adrenal medulla. Let me move on. Next one, a reproductive gland. So this is the placenta. Here a progesterone essential for the formation of a placenta. So that's it for an ovary, okay. We are complete our today lesson, okay. I hope you have to understand to that. If you are having any doubt, I have to clarify that. I have to note it down in all the important keywords in your observation, okay student. Thank you.